Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love ham, I love cheese, and I love eggs. Put them together, they're just great. Add some chipotle and some mayo, and you get the supreme breakfast sandwich. So we're going to make this today. You're going to love it. So let's get started. So what I've got here is my little handy dandy egg ring, and you can pick this up in any supermarket. I just find it really handy, but you can just do the eggs the way you usually do. Put a knob of butter into the center and let it melt down. Add the egg in, season with some pepper. I'm a pepper lover, so I'm adding quite a bit. Some salt, and something that's totally optional. A little sprinkle of garlic. And we'll just let it fry until it sets. You can have yolk in, or you can poke it and just kind of a once over easy. Okay, now the egg is set. I'm going to remove the ring and set it aside on a plate. Doesn't that make it a gorgeous egg? Next up, let's start building our sandwich with a layer of grated cheddar cheese. Now you can use processed cheese, whatever you like, but I like grated cheddar cheese. It seems to melt easier and it's a little more yummy. A good layer of ham. Now I've fried the ham before, but it gets a little boardy. Our egg. Another layer of ham. Some more of that yummy grated cheddar cheese. A good layer of mayo. This is going to be so good. And last but not least, some delicious chipotle. Slip the top on. Once again, add some butter to a pan, and we're going to let this melt down. Slip the sandwich in, and we're just going to kind of let it cook until it melts down. And once the cheese is melted down on the back side, we're going to get a flip over. Doesn't that look beautifully brown? Once the cheese is done, we're just going to go ahead and set this aside on a plate. And there you have it, guys, our ultimate breakfast sandwich. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Oh, wow, this is so good. The ham, the egg, the cheese, the chipotle, the mayo. Great combination. You got to make this wonderful breakfast. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great, cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.